Welcome to the testing world. This is the first lecture of this course, and here we are going to understand few important things about this course. So first of all, what's the agenda of this course? We are designing this course only for software testers. As you can understand, as a tester, I'm going to learn Java for automation. So our agenda would be completely different from the software developers. We have to understand only the topics, only the course content which is required for us to do the automation as a software tester. So agenda here is to only to cover the topics which are required or which are mandatory for software testers. Next I'm coming to approach. So my approach is to take you from basic to advanced level. First of all, we are going to start with simple installation, a basic programming, but later on we are going to write some complex program by using advanced Java concepts. Next is course coverage. So here we are going to cover lots of things. So if I take an example, we'll start with the installation, then we are going to cover how we can write a simple Java programming. Then we'll move to how we can go for looping, condition handling, arrays, and string handling. Later on I'll cover file handling and Excel handling. And then we are going to move some oops concept in details. After that we have some important things like how to connect with the database and many keywords. We are covering what all the things which are required to do automation, plus we are giving the coverage of topics which are required for interview purpose. Then the most important part is programming and its solutions. So we have added a lot of programming exercise throughout this course. Whenever you complete few topics, we'll give you some programming exercise. Just try these programming exercise. If you stuck somewhere, you can just put your queries in Q&A section provided by the Udemy. And as a result of this course, once you complete the course with all programming exercise, you will be ready for any kind of automation through Java programming. It could be functional automation of web-based application through Selenium. It could be mobile application automation through Appium or API automation through rest assured. You will be ready for any automation tools which are working with Java. Just to summarize, this course is especially designed for software testers. Here we are giving the coverage of all the topics which are mandatory, or I'll say which are useful for software tester, not only to work in the automation but also to crack interviews. So now I'll show you what is the course content, what all the things we are going to cover in this course. That's the complete course, and if you check it here, we have a different sections. First section is environment setup. We are going to set up Java, we are going to set up Eclipse. Then we are going for the basic introduction, condition handling, string handling, and with each of the topic you are going to get a lot of programming exercise. So here you can check it. We have added a lot of programming to perform. Then we have file handling. Then we have oops, and we have covered oops in very detail. So you are going to get all the topics, plus you are going to get many interview questions in this section. Then we have typecasting, exception handling, common keywords like this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, super keyword. Then we are moving to debugging, which is one of the most important part. Then we have how we can work on the Apache POI, that is for reading and writing data to Excel file. Then we have new features which are added in Java 8, JUnit and TestNG. So that will be overall course. Course is not ended over here. We are planning to add few more topics which could be helpful for you. So soon you will get few more topics like multi-threading, upcasting, wrapper classes. So these kind of topics, we are creating videos for that, and soon you will get these. Here we have seen what all the things we are going to cover in this course. Now, I request to all our students to provide deserved review for this course, because that's very important for us. Your reviews are going to give us a lot of motivation to continuously improve this course. So if you check it here, we are improving this course on monthly basis. So if you check it here, that's a bestseller just because we are continuously replying to our students, plus we are updating this course on a regular basis. that is updated in the current month only. So every month we are updating this course. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video.